Hello everyone. The module POS Own Products will help in managing the product where the admin can set some product which will be visible only to a salesperson. One product can be assigned to multiple salesperson. So let me show you how this works. First we will go into POS. In the POS configuration settings, we will you will see a field which will be show own product. Once you enable this feature will allow you to visible only those products in which you have assigned a person, a salesperson. So as you can see, I've enabled this. Let me save this out. Now let's go into products variant. As you can see, all the variants and products is available here. Let me open one of the product. So here, as you can see, you will see a new field which is assigned salesperson. So you can simply select which person you want to show this product to. So these are the two person I want to show. Now let me do the same with different products as well. I can assign multiple salesperson. So I will do into the same 2 to 3. I will assign only this one, and I will only assign one person over here. And let me save this out. So once you save this out, let me go into new session of POS and log in as demo admin. So once you log in as demo admin, you will see only those product which is assigned to demo admin. So as you can see, only this product is assigned. So this one is only visible. So you can simply select this and make the order. So this is how I will make the order. And now let's go back and log in as another employee or salesperson. So I will log in as another salesperson over here. So let me log in. And now let's go again in the point of sale session and let me open the session. And now as you can see, there are two products which is visible to Mac demo, which is corner desk right side as well as storage box. So you can again select just those product and you can make the order. So this is how this module will help you to simply assign only those products to those salesperson to whom you want to give the access to. As well as in the orders, you will see those orders created. So you can see the cashier as well as the customer if you have selected one. So this is how it will look like in the orders. So if you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.